We're trying to build an accessible tool for people with Alzheimer's as well as old people with memory issues. Our objective is to try to help jog their memory through like proven methods of like triggering parts of the brain to help them remember things.
You got like the full hacker hoodie thing going on.
Yeah, you gotta have it on dark mode too.
It's supposed to just recognize the face, and then once it gets the face, it's supposed to add like a label on top of it saying whose name it is.
So like if you're having a conversation with someone, a lot of times with someone with Alzheimer's, they wouldn't know who this person is, and even like mid-conversation, they would forget like who they're talking to. So mid-conversation, you have this pulled up, like, oh, like this is this person, this is where you met them, this is what other memories you might have with them.
It was a long night. Not too much sleep happening, but we tried deploying it through WebRTC and having a real-time connection going on. And so around 4 a.m., we decided, yeah, that's not happening. And we made it so it has a live webcam, but you have to select when you take a picture and when it starts detecting faces. We have an hour and a half left. We have to deploy the project onto a GoDaddy domain, and we have to record our demo and then also make the dev post up. Going to judging, I think I feel good. We've put a lot of effort into this. We've tried a lot of new techniques. I'm just happy I got to learn Streamlit. It's a cool new Python framework, honestly. Python and web dev, they usually don't mix. They mix a little bit better this time.
Yo, Harsh, look at the camera.
Say cheese.
Hey,
Grandpa, how you doing today?
oh, Grandpa? Wait, who are you?
You don't remember me?
Oh, hold on 1 second.
What are you using?
It's actually this really convenient and accessible portable tool called Memory Lane, and it's able to take photos of the people that I meet, and it can determine who they are. Harsh, oh, my precious grandson! How could I forget?
Me now.
And then I can add a contact on this interface, fill in their information, and then take a photo of them. This helps jog my memory of people who are important to me, as well as a preventative measure for Alzheimer's disease.